my channel, guys. Here I am. I'm going to transform my Christmas tree to my Valentine tree. All right, let me grab my ladder. Let me grab my ladder, guys. Hold on, I'll be right back. This I'm gonna put them on the floor because the glitter is unbelievable. I need to give me a stick like this because I'm going to make my own topper for my Valentine tree. Goodness. Okay. Here's my ribbon. Well, I may have to go outside and get a stick and use it to create my topper. I am leaving the gold ribbon and the red balls. I may take out this gold ribbon because I bought Valentine ribbon, so I want to put Valentine ribbon. So let me do that because if I keep you guys here, it's going to take forever. But yeah, and this ribbon, when I take it out, I'm just going to roll it and save it. Don't get rid of your ribbon because it's still good. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take the ribbon off and put the other Valentine ribbon and then take it from there. All right, guys. Let me pick up this little mint because I don't want it to get out of hand, okay? I'll be right back. All right, guys. I took out this stuff now. I can't go out there because it's actually snow rain. So everything is going to be wet. So I'm going to use this and with my heart from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to DIY my topper. So I'm going to use my hot glue gun and my pliers. I'm going to cut this here and here and use this part with the hot glue to glue it like so to put it on the top of the tree. So let me do that, and then once I do that, I will place it on top of the tree, and then we're gonna take it from there, guys. Well, I put my heart Now I'm going to use this because of course it's red. So we're going to put this in the background. Oh, ooh. Well, I came undone. Let's try it again. I don't know why the glue didn't choke. Maybe I didn't put enough. Maybe I didn't put enough glue. So let me try this again, guys. Well, the top is done. So now I'm going to take this ribbon. Oh, take this gold bolt out. Look, I still have some, you know, I'm having a problem with my eyesight. Anyways, this is the ribbon that I want to start adding. The top. Simple. Just use the same branches from the tree to hold your ribbon. So I'm going to do this. And then guys, do you decorate for Valentine's? So I'm going to do this. I'm going to put my ribbon and then I'm going to bring you guys back. All right. All right, guys, I took out all the balls that were driving me insane. So I took them all out. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all of this, you know, ornaments. So I'm going to add all of these. And this is the one that I just purchased this year. I do have a bag that I have to find that it has more stuff in it. So I'm going to do that. I do have more ribbon, but for now, I'm just going to add this clip-on little ornament, and we're gonna take it from there, guys. Let's see how this looks. So I'm going to add all of these. These are clip-ons, so this is what it looks like so far, but it's still kind of plain. As you guys can see, it still need more. And that's just the stuff that I have from the Dollar Tree that I purchased this time around. I'm still gonna look for my other bag and add the rest of the decor, and then I'll show you what it looks like. But I think on the top, I wanna add some roses. So, and I wanna add some roses here. But I'm gonna try not to purchase anything else. I'm gonna use what I already have. So let me continue and then I'll bring you guys back. Well, guys, I'm adding my last touches. So I'm adding flowers now. These are roses that I had on my pantry. So I decided to add flowers to just fill up whatever space, you know. I cannot find the box with all the other decorations, but once I found it, once I get it, I will add more to it. So, what do you guys think? How do you guys like my, I think I'm going to add this one as well. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Yeah, I'm going to be doing other parts of the apartment for Valentine's. So like my kitchen counter. I'm going to be doing my coasty corner as well. All right, guys, let me bring you guys close. Sorry for the movement. And here is my Valentine tree. That's a scarf that I have for Valentine's. So I decided to put it there. And of course, some tags. Everything that you see here is from the Dollar Tree, even the flowers that I have from previous. Um, I did this for a collaboration a while back, and I decided to put them there, my Vantage Valentine. One of my little things fell off, so I'm going to glue it in there. But yeah, guys, this is my Valentine tree. Guys, let me leave it like I always say, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Guys, I'm still trying to find a tutu to put on the bottom, but I want a pink ballerina tutu. But yeah, so for now, it's gonna stay like that. Maybe I just take a old pink shirt and wrap it around the bottom. All right, guys. Bye-bye.